विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. कार्निवालाचे वेळार रस्ते बंद करतात आनी ताचो रस्त्याचेर आशिल्ले दुकान धन्यांक फटको बसता. रस्ते बंद आशिल्ल्यान लायटीवेली उपकरणां व्हरपाक लोकांक गाडयो हाडपाक मेळना अशी कागाळ दुकान धन्यांनी केल्या. शुक्रारा पालिका आयुक्तांनी ह्या दुकान धन्यांच्यो मागण्यो आयकून घेतल्यो. RDX गो खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
They have some problem about closing of road and closing of access to their shops. That is amicably settled now. We have said that we are doing all this function, this celebration for it by giving a least trouble to shopkeepers and to the public.
How many shopkeepers are there?
Now today's meeting, how many people are there? I called them just to hear them about what is their difficulty.
Sir, how many shopkeepers are there in your library?
In the meeting, this 10 people let's come.
What are the main problems of them? What are the problems?
They have some difficulty that because of closing of road, because of access is closed to their customers are not coming. They cannot take goods like TVs to the. Because if the customer comes and purchase a TV, then vehicles cannot come inside. And
How many days this road will be closed?
road will be closed from Saturday evening to Tuesday evening.
And what is the CCP has said to them?
CCP no, it is a carnival committee.
So what you have said in the channel? What is your this to them?
We will say that we are giving them least botheration.
When you say least botheration, what does it mean?
We were allowing customers that we are going there.
करचे नाही म्हणून रस्ते तांच्यांनी गार्डनान करूं येता हेवटेन ह्या गार्डनान किंवा त्या गार्डनान हय रस्त्यार करता
ते बंद करते.
हय पार्किंगेक प्रॉब्लेम जाता मुवमेंट ट्रॅफिक मुवमेंटाक प्रॉब्लेम जाता
4 दिसांनी तुम कितलो म्हणून रस्त्याचेर लॉस जाता?
आतां सांगूं शकना न्ही कस्टमरूच येना जाल्यार कशें सांगूं शकता